Hello, today is our last lesson for Unit 4A. It is Mission 4C, which is actually called What is the Better Buy? This is completely real life examples and situations using proportions to figure out what's the cheaper item or price to pay for what you're looking for. So it's our learning target today says I can find unit rate and solve proportions. So first, we have a scenario. It says you are choosing where to order next year's Brooklyn Middle School's t-shirts from. We have two options. We can buy them from Innovative Graphics or from T-Shirts R Us. Okay, so we need to find the unit rate, or where's the best price per t-shirt for every one shirt, which is going to be cheaper. So if we're thinking price per shirt, this first example, it would cost us $780 for 125 shirts. So this is our price, and this is per shirts. We want to find out, well, how much would it cost for one shirt? So we can cross multiply or just divide. 780 divided by 125 should tell us the cost per shirt. So if I plug that in my calculator, 780 divided by 125, that would give me $6.24 for every one shirt. If you cross multiplied, you would have had 125 times x equal to 780, and again just divide by 125, which is exactly what I did. 780 divided by 125. So it costs $6.24 for one shirt at Innovative Graphics. At T-Shirts R Us, our unit rate for price per shirt, we have $510 for 75 shirts. Again, we're finding the price for one shirt, our unit rate. We can divide 510 divided by 75, and we get $6.80. 6.8, if we are talking money, would be 80 cents. So which is the better buy? $6.80 for one shirt or $6.24? Well, clearly it's cheaper to buy it at Innovative Graphics, where we only have to pay 24 cents instead of 80 cents. So our answer, Innovative Graphics. If they asked you to explain, you could say, because for the price of one shirt, it's only $6.24 instead of $6.80. So let's look at another example. Ms. Prokop needs to buy more Jolly Ranchers for class. She can get a 14-ounce bag for $2.49. So this one is $2.49 for a 14-ounce bag. OZ is ounces. Or she can get a 60-ounce bag for $7.99. So over here it costs $7.99 for 60 ounces. Which one is the better buy? So we can write these both as fractions. We can divide. $2.49 for 14 ounces. We need to figure out what's the price per ounce. If we have a price, it's always going to go on the top of our fraction. Price per ounce or price per item, whatever item we're getting. Here we're talking ounces. So if we divide to find the cost for 1 ounce, $2.49 divided by 14 gives us a really long decimal. I'm just going to list maybe 2 or 3 decimal points, or numbers past the decimal. 0.1177 or 78 if we round it. So that is the price per ounce for the small bag, about 17 or 18 cents per ounce. And over here, $7.99 divided by 60 ounces, the price for 1 ounce here, $7.99 divided by 60 is 0.133. So this is, if we make it in terms of money, 2 decimals, about 18 cents for 1 ounce. Here it's about 13 cents for 1 ounce. So it would be way cheaper, well not way cheaper, considerably cheaper to buy the big bag. So we can put a star next to this one. The big bag is the better deal, which in most cases is. They're giving you more for your money. So even though this one had a higher number, we want to look for the low number because that's the better buy. We don't want to spend as much money. Let's flip over to the back side. It just says, which is the better buy? Maybe we're buying pop. We get 9 liters of pop for $4.77 or 24 liters for $10.08. Maybe it's gas. I don't know, it doesn't tell us what it is, but we need to figure out which is the better buy. We'll always put the price on the top, $4.77 per means divided by 9 liters. I'm going to use L for liters. Or $10.08 for 24 liters. We just need to divide to figure out which is the better buy, which has the cheaper price for 1 liter. 1 liter. So $4.77 divided by 9 liters gives us 53 cents for 1 liter. Or 10.08 divided by 24 liters gives us 42 cents per liter. So between those two unit rates, while 1 liter over here is only 42 cents, where on the left it's 53 cents. So this on the right is a better buy. The better buy is to buy 24 liters for $10.88. Next, which is the cheaper price for books? Maybe a teacher is buying books for an entire class, and they can spend $570 for 38 books, or they can spend $407 for 37 books. Well, hopefully you can tell which is the better buy just by looking at them, because the difference in the number of books is only 1 book. This one is clearly more expensive than on the right, but we're still going to divide anyways to figure out what is the price for 1 book. So 570 divided by 38. 570 divided by 38 is $15 per book. Over here, 1 book, if we take 407 divided by 37 books, it's only $11 per book. So this is clearly the better buy, $407 for 37 books. You can do comparisons like this wherever you're at the grocery store, at the clothing store, wherever you are shopping. Just take the price and divide it by the number of items or ounces or whatever you're buying. So I want you to try this on your own. Which is the better buy? Go ahead and try, and then I will click play to see which one is correct. I'll solve it. Remember, we always do price per item, cost per item. So $144 for 12 calculators, or we have $432 for 27 calculators. So we want to figure out which is the better buy. How much would it cost for 1 calculator here or 1 calculator here? We're really just finding the unit rate with a denominator of 1. So if I plug this one into my calculator, 144 divided by 12, it should be $12. $12 for 1 calculator. It's about the price of ours in the classroom. I think ours are $11. And then on the other side, 432 divided by 27 calculators, that would be $16 for 1 calculator. So it's a lot cheaper to buy 12 calculators for $144 if we're talking about price per calculator. This is the better buy. All right, your homework is doing just what we did. finding the better buy. Be careful on this first one. If you have questions, let me know. With Part C, you should be able to do Parts A and B on your own. You're just finding the unit rate 2 times on this one. Otherwise, the rest of it is pretty self-explanatory. You need to find the unit rate and compare which is the better buy, Sam's Club or